On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best ways that you can use ClickBank to make money with affiliate marketing and how you're going to promote ClickBank products that convert. Also, I'll show you how to get unlimited amounts of traffic with super simple strategies. The first thing that you need to do is come over to ClickBank and create an account for yourself. Once you've done that, what you need to do is come up to the top and click on Marketplace. This is going to bring you over to ClickBank's Marketplace, where you've got all these different niches and products that you can promote. What you want to do with this strategy is you want to click on All, scroll down, and go to e-business and e-marketing. We're going to be promoting an affiliate marketing product, but we want to promote a product that's not high ticket. We want to start converting and making money with affiliate marketing. This is exactly what I've shown some of my students, and they're currently crushing it. So what you want to do is scroll down. You can see here that you're going to be looking for one thing, and one of the most important things currently is you don't want a product that is expensive. When you're first starting out, selling high-ticket products takes a little bit of skill, knowing exactly what audience to promote to. That's really important. Also, your conversions are going to be lower when you're starting out with affiliate marketing. What you want to do is sell low-ticket products and ensure you're getting sales. So scroll down and see something like this isn't too bad at $26.50. It's basically promoting a product where people can go out and use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. to make money. It even has a good gravity score at 197. If we scroll down, let's see if we can find something else. Here is a product called the ClickWealth System. Now this is currently $15.98, which is perfect, because what this product has is it has an upsell. So when somebody purchases something for say $15.98, they've got the opportunity to buy something that costs even more. And you can see the gravity score is really good. When you click onto this link, it's going to show you what this sales page looks like. What I like about this is a VSL. What this means is it's a visual sales landing page, so people will have to watch this video to learn what this product is about. The other thing that you can also do is scroll down and you can see they've got an affiliate page. Once you click onto this, it's going to give you all the resources that you need to promote this product, but we're not going to need a lot of this. So I'm going to show you how to promote this very easily and effectively to two separate traffic sources that are both going to bring in 100% free traffic. Now guys, if you end up getting value out of this video, all I ask is that you smash that like button in appreciation. Go down to the bottom, let me know what you thought of this video, and I will pick one person and give them my YouTube course absolutely for free. Now that we have found a product to promote, in order to get that affiliate link, very simple. You want to click on to promote over here, and as you can see, you want to generate this hop link. Click onto that. This is the link that you are going to use to promote this ClickBank offer. Now what we need to do is we need to get an article written up for us that we are going to promote absolutely for free on one website. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take that article from that website and run even more traffic to it. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. In order to do that, what you need to do is come over to this platform called Writesonic.com. This is an amazing AI software that you can actually start using absolutely for free to create articles for you. The good thing about this is that they have a free plan for your first 10,000 words. And the good thing about that is more than enough for you to actually make some money with this strategy. Then, if you want to continue with this, which I highly recommend that you do, you can sign up. It's going to cost you like $16 a month, peanuts for what it does. Once you sign up to Writesonic, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now, why are we using this instead of chat? Well, chat is very limited in terms of the information that it gives you, whereas Writesonic is more up to date. That's the first thing. The second thing is, this passes the human test. If you put any article from Chatbot into an AI detector, it picks it up straight away. This uses more of a human approach, and it passes the AI detector well for a number of reasons. That's good. The best reason is that when somebody reads it, it sounds more realistic. What we want to do is come over here, guys, and click onto AI Article Writer. Once you click onto this, what you need to do is come up with a topic. In order to come up with a topic, if you're stuck for ideas, if you're stuck for questions, what you can do is quite simply come over to this site called AnswerThePublic.com. This will give you a range of different types of questions. I absolutely love this and use this all the time. So let's say, for example, you come over here and type in something like how to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is a question that a lot of people will be asking online. Then what you want to do is quite simply choose the United States, because that's where a lot of our audience will be coming from. Leave it on English and then click on Search Answer the Public. Now it's going to find a range of these different types of questions. Now you can see here it's got questions like how to make money online with affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners, stuff like this. Because it's going to give you a range of different questions. And the good thing about this is because you're going to be doing a whole heap of these different types of articles, you've already got all these different questions. I mean, you can very easily use a lot of these. So all you need to do is start choosing these. The other thing that you've got as well is it's going to show you how popular and how much competition these different questions get. The more you stick to the green, the better it is for you, especially when you're first starting out. So let's just say we wanted to use something like how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. So quite simply, all you need to do is come straight back over to Writesonic, and then up the top over here where you've got topic, that's where you want to write in that question. Once you've done that, all you need to do now is click onto search articles. What Writesonic is now going to do is it's going to search for different types of articles online that are written basically asking you what do you want your article to look like. So what you need to do is you need to come through and you need to have a look at these articles and select 2 to 3 of these articles. Then this software is going to generate your own unique article based on what you have selected. This is going to take you about 5 to 15 minutes. I highly recommend that you go through and click onto them. But let's just, for example, I like this one over here, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, the Ultimate Guide. As we scroll down, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, what it is, okay, so that one's not too bad. And then how to get started, so I like these top 3 over here. So I'm going to select these top 3. Then all we quite simply need to do is scroll down. You can see here on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down, and then click on to Next. So what we now need to do is tell Writesonic how we want this article to be written. For example, do you want it to be professional? Do you want it to be informative? Do you want it to be entertaining, etc.? I personally like my information to be informative because this is an article about how to make money, so you want relevant and the right information. As you can see here on the left-hand side, if we scroll down, it's going to ask you brand voice, tone of voice. So I'm going to come over here and put informative and leave that there. You can leave additional information if you wanted to add anything. You absolutely can. These are the 3 articles. Then all you need to do is scroll down to the type of quality that you want. I always leave it on premium and then leave that on English, guys, and then click on to generate article. Now Writesonic is preparing and writing this article for us. You can see that it's got all that. Quite simply, click on to confirm, and as you can see now, what Writesonic is going to do is it's going to start creating this article for us. Look how amazing this is. It's doing everything for us. If we've got a title, as we scroll down, what is affiliate marketing, etc., Writesonic is going to go through and create this entire article for us. What we now need to do from here is we need to get all the traffic to this article and also embed our affiliate link inside this article, which is really simple to do. Guys, if you're following up until this point, go down to the bottom and just comment, I am following up until this point. As we can see here, guys, this article is still publishing, and it is looking absolutely amazing. You've got all your bold points. You've got everything here that you need to promote this. So what we want to do is we want to go to the website where we can upload this article. What you want to do is come over to this site called Vocal Media. This is a platform where you can go to upload articles, and Vocal Media is going to drive traffic to your articles. On top of that, with Vocal Media, it works very similar to Medium as well. What that means is, if you put in good articles and you do the right SEO, there is absolutely no reason why your articles can't get indexed on Google, and you're going to get a lot of organic traffic. This is super passive, which means once you upload this, you can be getting traffic to your article for months and years to come, especially if you put out a lot of content. You could be making affiliate marketing commissions for a very long time. This is why you use platforms like Medium, because building your own website takes a lot of time. These websites already have authority. All you need to do is put in the content and upload it onto their platforms. What you want to do, quite simply, is sign up to Vocal Media. Then you want to click on to create stories. Once you sign up, you want to come up to the top and click on to create story. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter in your title. So quite simply, come over to Writesonic. We're going to copy this affiliate marketing guide for beginners, step-by-step guide. It gives you everything that you need. Come over here, guys, put that in there. You can put in a subtitle for beginners as an example. Then all you need to do is come straight back over to here, guys. Now, all we need to do is copy this entire article. So just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Okay, copy this, come straight back over to this site, guys, and you can see start writing. You're gonna have that and just tab that, and it's gonna have everything in there. Now, if you want to remove some of this space, okay, if you don't want it to be too spaced out, all you need to do is go through, okay, and space this out yourselves. Now, what we need to do inside this article is a couple of things. Number one, we can add an image to this article. That's the first thing that we need to do. So you come over here, click onto this Unsplash image, and then you want to search for an image. You can just type in money, hit enter. It's going to show you something like this. So we can grab that, okay? That looks pretty good. Now, what we need to do, guys, is throughout this article, we need to add that affiliate marketing link so that people can click onto it. Once they click onto it, they have the ability to purchase that product that you are promoting from ClickBank. So the first thing we need to do is come straight back over to ClickBank. We want to click on to promote. We want to grab that link again. So there it is. There you want to copy that. Then we want to come back over to our article. Now, I suggest that you put this link 2 to 3 times inside this article. So as you can see, it starts off over here. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Okay, so we'll tab this across here. Then what we can do is we can add our own affiliate link here. Once you hit this plus, you can see here it says embed link. This is where you're going to paste. But before you do that, what you need to do is you need to put in a call to action. You can type in something like this: how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. You want to keep it relevant to the content, and you also want to keep it relevant to this article. So how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So what you need to do now is you want to highlight this, and you can see here you've got these little chains, this link. You want to click onto that, and this is where you're going to paste your link from ClickBank, or from Warrior Plus, or from Digistore24, from JVZoo, or any other independent affiliate marketing product like Wealthy Affiliate or Legendary Marketer, etc. Then all you need to do is click onto this little submit button. Okay, now what we can do, guys, is we can highlight this again. We can make it bold, and we can make it italic just so it stands out. Now all you need to do is you can come over here and we can copy this. Okay, then all we need to do is scroll down and maybe add this a couple more times. Remember to close this article a little bit, guys, if you can see it's spaced out too much. Okay, so the first one is niche blogging. You can see it goes through all these different things. Then we can come over here, guys, and we can tab that. We can paste this in here. Okay, so one more time in here. As we scroll down, we can see this article is pretty long. And then before this conclusion, okay, we can paste that in there one more time. Now, what I highly recommend that you do with any article that you put online, so you've got this conclusion, then down the bottom, what you want to do is you want to have an affiliate disclaimer, basically saying something very, very simple. This article contains affiliate links. If you end up going through and purchasing anything, I may receive a small commission. That is all you need to add inside these articles, okay, just so people know that you do have an affiliate link throughout these articles. So all you need to do now, guys, as this is finished, this is perfect. You want to go to the top. You want to click on Save Changes, okay, so that's all been saved. Then what we need to do from here is we want to go to Submit for Review. You want to click on to Submit for Review. Now you can see choose a community to submit your story. Click onto this drop-down box. So scroll down and you can just use something like education as an example. So click onto that. Add a tag so readers know what your story is about. So click onto this and you can scroll down and you can choose the different types of tags that are relevant to your article. And quite simply for this one, I'm just going to choose something like courses as an example, guys. And then I'm going to click on to submit for review. Now all we need to do is go back to my post as an example. So I'm going to go to here, I'm going to go to submitted. And as we can see, this one over here has been submitted. Now if I click onto this, it's going to bring me over to this article. Now from here, what we want to do, even though this article is going to get indexed onto Vocal Media, now you're not going to get an influx of traffic straight away, guys. Once this has been reviewed and it has been approved, it then does take time to get indexed by Google, regardless of how popular Vocal Media is. It does take time like any other website. In the meantime, however, how do we drive traffic to this article? This is super powerful stuff, guys. Please pay close attention, and like I said, guys, if you're enjoying this video and you haven't done so, what you need to do, you need to come over here, you need to copy this link. We're going to copy this link, okay? And what we want to do is we want to drive even more traffic to this article. That's also going to be driving more traffic to the affiliate links that we have put up in here. Remember, if anybody clicks onto this, it's going to take them straight over to this product, okay? So what we want to do is take as much traffic to this article. In order to do that, one of the most powerful ways, guys, what you want to do is you want to come over to platforms like Pinterest.com. Let me explain to you how this works. If we come over to Pinterest, you want to create yourself a Pinterest account. But basically what we want to do is we want to create a Pinterest profile, an affiliate marketing Pinterest account, and then we want to start putting up pins on Pinterest and driving traffic to our article. So if we come up to the top, guys, and we type in affiliate marketing, what you want to make sure you do once you type that is come over here and go to all pins, okay? And then this is going to show you a whole range of different types of affiliate marketing pins. These are the ideas that you can come over here and take a look at, because what you want to do is you want to create the exact same pins. In order to create these pins, guys, all you need to do quite simply is come over to platforms like Canva.com, type in Pinterest pins, hit enter, okay? And as you can see, you've got all these amazing different types of pins that you can use. Everything that you see that says Pro, you need a paid Canva subscription to. As you can see, a lot of these guys are absolutely for free, so all of these are free. So you can click onto something like this and quite simply go to customize this template, okay? And you can see you've got all the fonts, you've got all the highlights. All you need to do is take a look at any one of these pins and just change it. So instead of having something like how to start affiliate marketing in 2023 as a beginner, and then get rid of these images and just find money images over here under elements, very simple stuff. But the most important thing that you want to do, guys, as you can see all these different types of pins. If you click onto any one of these like this, for example, I clicked onto one of these pins, it's going to bring me over to this article. And the reason why I did that one, when I clicked onto any one of these pins, if I click onto this pin, what you're going to see is this is called Themarketer.com, how to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a blog, as an example. Yours can be how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. When you click onto this, it's going to take you over to the article. What it's going to do for you is it's going to take them over to this article where they're going to read, and they have the ability to click onto this link. Once they click onto this link, if they purchase, you stand an amazing chance to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting these ClickBank products. And as you can see, people aren't doing this on Pinterest with so many of these different types of pins if they're not making money, so you can be doing the exact same thing, guys. This is a super powerful way to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023, 2024, and beyond. Now, how are you going to create these Pinterest profiles, guys? Very simple. If you come straight over to my channel, like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go down the bottom, drop me a comment. You could win my YouTube course absolutely for free and learn an even better strategy that can help you make up to $30,000 a month. But when you're on my channel, you can watch this video over here, which I'm going to pin at the end of this video. Or you can watch this video. These are my 2 latest Pinterest affiliate marketing videos, which are going to show you exactly how you can set this up, guys. If you go out and you create these articles using writing, which means you don't even need to do any of the work yourself, this is absolutely free up to 10,000 words. Start uploading them onto Vocal Media, and if you start using Pinterest to drive traffic, I guarantee you stick to this for the next 90 days, and you will be making affiliate marketing commissions. It is inevitable if you stay consistent, and all you need to do is come over to my channel and watch any one of these videos, and you will be making money with affiliate marketing. Guys, that was my video for today.